Good morning, good afternoon, traders. Welcome everyone in the TEFS YouTube Trading Room and in the VIP 44 Trading Room as well. Hi team, welcome. Nice to see you. For me, it's first time in the week, and indeed, I hope you had a beautiful green day yesterday. You started this a little bit shortened week, especially on my side, nicely to the green side, and hopefully today we are going to continue. Hi, Andy. Nice to see you. Brian, Steve, Justin, good morning. Good morning. Hi, DVG, Scott, Clifton. Welcome, everyone. Please let me know if the sound is okay. And YouTube traders, if you can see me, that's great. Okay. Indeed, guys, today it's a big day because we will have a guest, as you can see in the YouTube room. Well, I guess the VIP room traders, 44 room traders, you know him very well indeed. Scott is going to be our guest analyst today in the YouTube room as well. So this is a huge day. I can't wait again to trade with him here in the YouTube trading room. Hi Lee, good morning to you. Okay, guys, so let's just see and start today's preparation session. Indeed, hi Tara, nice to see you. Good afternoon to you. Todd, nice to see you too. Good morning. ¿Cómo estás? Yeah, thank you. Thanks, Tara, for asking. That was a beautiful day for us yesterday. I was missing yesterday trading because my little one, Sophia, she's 6 years old and she graduated from the kindergarten to the first grade. So it was a huge day for her and, of course, for the whole family. So it was really nice indeed. Muy bien. Gracias. Good morning, Brisk Roder. Okay, guys. Thank you, Tara. Yeah, she was so happy indeed. Okay, guys, let's just go back to the trading. Well, market doesn't look that happy as my little one yesterday, indeed, on her big day. But seems like the market so far, guys, it was so much resilient. We know the sad news all from the world, indeed, as you know. Especially, I'm thinking of the Israeli and Iranian situation at the moment. But so far, surprise, market is still resilient, very much resilient indeed. I'm afraid that if the things, I really hope things are going to turn to the right direction, which is definitely ceasefire and peace. But so far, it seems like that Iran wanted to go for ceasefire. That's why yesterday you could see the markets lifted a bit. Now, not really has happened anything yet, and even the retail sales released and not that good news at all for the market. That means, unfortunately, it seems like that the market might it's not going to stay that resilient anymore because so far the SPY is down 0.50% and the triple Q a little bit, a tiny bit weaker with 0.55% to the downside. Hi, Nitsan. Hola. Thank you, Clifton. Okay, guys. So yeah, first of all, the ones who are in the mentioned areas, I hope you are safe, guys. So take care very much, and let's just definitely pray for peace because this is the way how the world should look like and work. But we know that this is unfortunately just an utopia, especially in this world what we are living in at the moment. But we will never give up to see better days here indeed. So let's see what's going to happen, guys. At the moment, the big names are all of them are down. Even the Bitcoin, it's retreating. Trump just left the G7 meeting as well because of the and he called everyone, especially the US citizens and actually everyone to evacuate Tehran. Well, let's see what's going to happen there. Definitely, I just read on the Bloomberg that Clifton or always like just he's just streaming the Bloomberg TV on the VIP room before we start, and it was the fresh news that even Putin, is ready to intervene if it's necessary. I hope it won't be necessary, just between me and you. But so far things are still very much fragile. Let's call it like that. So the oil retreated a little bit yesterday as well on the possible ceasefire news, which at the moment is just stalled. So no progress in that. As you know, and as I mentioned you last week as well, that the July it's coming really fast, and with July the tariffs threat is still here indeed, but so far it's still a huge uncertainty around the tariffs as well. Hi and good morning. Thank you, thank you. We had a beautiful day yesterday. I just talked to the traders already, and I hope you too. And I mean, at least with a green day to start the week with, and hopefully today we are going to continue with that. So traders, let's just get after this quite of geopolitical, rather geopolitical news, to more details into the news, especially on the US news. I mentioned you already that some economic data are released, and it is actually the core retail sales and retail sales, which is not a good news at all, like much lower than expected. Import prices, though, it just decreased a little bit, which is not that bad news. And we are just waiting at the moment. At 9:15, we will get the industrial production and the capacity utilization rate as well. And 10 o'clock, we still have some data going to be released. And this is going to be the business inventories and the housing market index. So these are still in the pipeline, traders. So let's be careful, especially around 10 o'clock during the market hours. And tomorrow, Wednesday, Fed Day. So let's be prepared. Well, 97% goes for no rate cut still. As you know, the Fed Chair Powell, he promised a possible rate cut around September, so it's still June, so I don't think so it's going to happen, but we will see. We will see what's going to happen here indeed. So today, so still we will get some economic news, and tomorrow it's a huge day because even in the before the market opens, we will get some economic news with the unemployment claims. Usually, you know, tomorrow it's going to happen. It's on Thursdays, but I'm just going to remind you again that Thursday it's a complete bank holiday. What do I mean? It's a complete bank holiday, like not just the grocery stores and everything is going to be closed and the banks, but even the stock exchange. By the way, just as an interesting fact, not on every specific bank holiday the market is closed, but on Juneteenth Day, which is going to be the 19th of June, it's going to be closed. So no trading, no room on Thursday. So that's why we will see the unemployment claims tomorrow, plus building permits, housing starts, lot more. And of course, the highlight of the day is going to be the federal funds rate decision, and especially the FOMC press conference at 2:30. Yes, PLTR, AMD, I'm watching. Both of them are very strong on, as I mentioned, you're quite of a weak market. And even as I'm checking, BABA is stronger, Humana, CVX, XOM. So as I mentioned you yesterday, the oil started a little retreat or a pullback. Now actually we are just moving higher with the oil and the oil prices as well. Okay, traders, what else? Let's just see what the other stock exchanges just produced so far. Europe deep to the red side, I guess, because of the Far East threat. Asia mixed. Nikkei is up. Hang Seng is down, 0.34 on the Hang Seng down. Nikkei 0.59 to the upside. On the rates side, the US 10 years are tumbling for 4.42 at the moment, and the futures deep to the red side. Silver and the crude oil are huge. Move to the upside, 1% on the silver, and crude oil already 1.11%, and it's over the $72 and $50 level, traders. So we still can keep an eye on the oil stocks to the long side if it's going to be continued. What else on the headlines? Well, solar stocks are suffering big time again because of Trump's tax bill, indeed. So solar and wind stocks tumble after Senate budget bill proposal indeed, so we can watch FSLR, SCDG, Sunrun, and so on. To the short side, what else? Stock market today, Dow set for a 200-point fall, S&P Nasdaq market lower as Trump says evacuate Tehran, as I've told you in the beginning of the news already. Okay, what else in here? Why markets are ignoring scary headlines about Israel-Iran trade wars and US debt. I was just writing a little summary of that in today's article or newsletter as well on our website, which is every day it's just posted in our social media traders. So please subscribe to our Telegram channel, to the Instagram, Facebook. We are everywhere indeed, and you can get a really good update and start your day with fresh updated news already in the very early in the morning of the European time indeed. So what else in here? CNBC, which I'm always watching. JetBlue to cut more flights, other costs with break-even 2025 unlikely due to weaker travel demand. This is not a good news for the whole airline sector, especially after the Dreamline very ugly and unfortunate accident. The reasons are still not discovered, so I'm going to watch BA as well. In this case, top oil CEOs sound the alarm as Israel-Iran strikes escalate. Israeli stocks hit new all-time high. These are the headlines in the CNBC. So as I've told you, everything is just a little bit sharpening there. But again, let's hope for a peaceful outcome on that, which at the moment doesn't look good, but the first attempt from Iran to go for the ceasefire, it was promising yesterday. As we could see, the markets went a little bit higher, but today, unfortunately, it looks like it's fading again. But as you just wrote there, the PITR and AMD definitely on my list as well, and let's see what else. Guys, I mentioned you already the oil stocks to the long side, so I'm just starting my candidates list quickly. So I'm going to get XOM and CBX to my long side. What else in AMD and PITR as well? Also PITR, I just read a news, which I don't think so it's going to very much impact the stock at all. But Caddy Woods, she's just selling the PITR from her portfolio, from the ARX portfolio. So let's be careful indeed. Also, she's still definitely not the next Warren Buffett. Miss Warren Buffett, let's call it like that. But she just thought that she's going to dump the stocks from her portfolio indeed. Okay, solar stocks are here too. And Phase Energy, First Solar, Sunrun, Solar Edge, all of them are just going down because of the tax bill, as I mentioned you. So companies in the space got better as the Senate's version of President Trump's tax bill would phase out renewable energy incentives, unfortunately. So that means that we can put them to the short side. I'm just going to put FSLR and run, but you can just, include on your candidates list or in your candidates list the ones which you prefer indeed. Verve Therapeutics, this is a gene editing company, VERV, which is going up like crazy, 75%. But this is a done deal already, guys, so I'm not going to touch it. Usually I don't touch the buyout stocks because usually the deal is done already, has been done already before the market opens, and it's just acquired by Eli Lilly, by the way. Indeed, so Verve is up like crazy. Roku is the next one, which is just higher 2% after a nice upgrade to buy rating from the hold at Loop Capital Markets. Roku, definitely I'm going to put it on my long list. And after that, what else in here? Microsoft is coming next, which is down because the Wall Street Journal, citing People Familiar, reported tensions between Microsoft and OpenAI over their AI partnership have reached a boiling point. Ouch, that's definitely not a good news for Microsoft. So among the big names, not even the indices are pushing lower, but if I'm just checking the Microsoft here, At the moment, this is one of the weakest among the big names, and not just Microsoft is 0.91% down, but Amazon is quite weak too. Tesla 1% lower, AFRM, Coin, DAL as JetBlue just got some warning on the travel demand, UPST, and as the Bitcoin is down, Coin is down as well, 2.10% at the moment. So I'm going to call Coin to the short side. Also, coin can be highly volatile. Let's be careful with that. UPST is just moving down like crazy too. Hood as well. If Bitcoin is dropping, Hood definitely is dropping. Tesla doesn't look good either, but let's see whether it's going to make a reversal or not. Amazon 0.80%, Google 0.70. So I mentioned you, most of the big names are suffering big time, but not the semicons yet, like NVIDIA, okay, 0.17, but the AMD is still holding nicely. Guys, if you have, yes, Jimmy, thank you. FSLR, it's already on my short list. Thank you very much, your candidate, because I just wanted to ask you if you have any candidates, please just go for it in the chat. Lennar Corporation is here as well, a home builder, which I'm going to put to the long side, but be careful because 10 o'clock, the housing index is going to drop and might is going to impact the Lennar stock price too. And the last one on the list is TMUS, the T-Mobile. If you like it, we can watch it to the short side. And the reason for that the telecommunications stock just fall because the Bloomberg and Reuters reported that the SoftBank sold 21.5 million T-Mobile shares in an unregistered overnight sale for $224 each. Ouch, that's not a good news. So TMUS just can go to the short side. So I think we have a great candidates list for today. As I see, Scott just posted his as well, and I'm just going to hand the VIP room to Scott as well. And Scott, don't forget, please just get into the room. I sent you the link already, and we are waiting for you in some minutes. Okay, guys, VIP room traders, 44 room traders, have a beautiful green day as always, and see you tomorrow, 9 a.m. sharp. Bye. Okay, YouTube guys, how are you today? I hope ready for another nice and green day. And indeed, we are waiting for Scott soon. He's going to join, hopefully. And indeed, in the meantime, UCO, I'm just going to check it, Nitsan. UCO, as far as I remember, it is a oil ETF, right? But let me just check it now. Okay. In the meantime, let me just take this down. Just a sec, I'm just checking it on my charts. I have everything here indeed on my list. Okay, so let me just check this UCO. Yeah, Prussia's Ultra Bloomberg crude oil. Wow, looks nice. Yeah, on the oil we have such a huge move, but you know what? I don't know whether we should not go rather with some oil stocks instead. No, I'm not telling you it's not a bad thing indeed, but maybe it's not a big mover, like not a big mover indeed. So in the meantime, guys, I just need a little technical things here. Just a second. I try to make it come true for Scott to come into the room in the meantime. Okay, just a sec. Just a second, guys.
Part of what we're doing each and every
And
day
here
here
we
in the big
have
room here.
Scott indeed.
Okay, so I can hear Aggie there. Let me try to work through this just a moment.
Okay, guys. All right, traders. So Scott is going to join us in some minutes after he is going to say hello to the YouTube traders and the sorry, he just can't hear me. So he's going to greet the traders there and then come to us and trade with us in the first 30 minutes, 1 hour. Let's see how the opportunities is going to get through here. Heidi, good morning to you. So this is a big day in the TEFS free YouTube trading room, guys, because Scott is going to join us for today. Well, indeed, he's a fantastic trader. I'm working, I'm knowing him. We are great friends as well for actually for more than a decade now, and he's going to join me, and let's just call it like get you more opportunities there and just get you a little taste how it is to be in the TEFS, the TEFS VIP room, because in the TEFS VIP room, he is the leader analyst along with DVG and Amir Barak, who is sometimes joining to the room as well. I mean, to the TEFS VIP room. So this is going to be a unique opportunity. And if it's going to be, we will see a lot of likes, first of all, then we are going to repeat it every Tuesday and Thursday. It's always a little bit more fun, you know, when I love trading with you guys, don't misunderstand me, but it's always better, you know, when we have a little bit more live performance entertaining with another trader. And Scott liked the idea as well. So he's going to join us soon indeed. Okay, guys. So GBL and NNE need some? Yes, exactly. We need that too. And the reason for that, indeed, that we need them because it's earning stocks. So let me just check this GBL. And I really forgot JBL and it got some earnings and good news. Nice. And you know what? Even the pre-market volume is not bad either. So I think we can just watch it here. Mohammed, hi, welcome to you. Well, indeed, to the VIP room, you can get a free subscription to our or through our packages. Like if you are going to go for a funded account package does mean that you are going to go with some funds to trade on a simulated account, and if you reach profit, of course, you can withdraw it based on a profit base or a profit split plan. Like for example, with our highest TEFS package, it is like 90-20, like 90% of your profit, it's yours, and 10% it's, of course, for the proprietary trading company. So if you need more info, please just get here. Then please immediately write to your account manager because the subscription is valid for higher packages, okay? So please contact your account manager immediately, or even through the website, you can go to our support guys and they can answer you immediately that what kind of package you have and definitely what to do, how to obtain the free subscription to the VIP room, okay? And for the others who are interested, here is you are very welcome. Here is the link. You can just discover our funded account packages. And by the way, not only subscription to the VIP room, but even private mentoring you can get with the packages indeed. Okay. Okay, guys, just a sec. I'm just communicating with Scott in the meantime. Okay, Scott likes SLRX as well, by the way, and he called already FSLR under 135. All right, but he's just going to join soon and he's going to talk about this here as well. Okay, traders, in the meantime, the SPY triple Q are still to the red side. Don't forget 10 o'clock we will get some more economic news. So I'm ready to be careful around like 10 o'clock with the housing index as well and business inventories. By the way, one more stock which I've seen, it's RDDT as well. Okay. Okay, one more thing which, and it's not just we like the PITR traders, but Scott likes it as well, over 142 and 50. And SLRX, as I mentioned you, so if you have an account where you can trade the lower price stocks, this definitely can be an interesting one. Okay, guys, I'm going to watch AMD here on my main monitor there. Good morning, Vida. It's nice to see you. Okay. Okay, Scott, if you can hear me, we are waiting for you. Yes, I can hear you, and you can be heard in the
Oh,
YouTube room as
perfect.
well now. So
Perfect. Aggie, the only thing that I have is when I'm here, if you speak, I can hear you speak here. So if you're going to be talking in that room, I don't know how to mute it so that
I'm
I
going
don't
to
get you
mute it
here.
here.
Got you. Got you. You're awesome.
Okay.
Thank you. DVG, good morning. How are you, my friend? Ah, good.
Yes, Scott is in the building. Exactly. He's going to greet you soon, guys. We are just starting trading, and the market is still going down.
Yeah, I think the same thing. I had messaged you also this morning. We do have a market holiday built
Okay.
in on Thursday this week that I wasn't aware of until Aggie said something this morning.
Tesla, Apple,
So
Amazon on the watch
that
list
is Juneteenth.
definitely
Markets will be
for
closed,
me as well, especially
and we get
Tesla
started here in
doesn't look
about
good.
20 seconds.
Indeed.
Yeah, let's have a great day today, guys and ladies.
Thank you, Scott.
Shout out to all the lady traders with us each and every day. Appreciate you being part of the 44 Trading Room and TEFS.
Good luck, Tara. We're just starting.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so let's see what do we have for today.
Look at FSLR. FSLR going higher. Do we short that right off the bat? That looks promising.
Hi, D King. Good luck to you as well. We should watch the QQQ today, right? Okay, market is pulling back a
Yeah,
little
let the
bit as
hype wear
usual.
off a little bit.
Yeah, it is. DVG as usual in the VIP room. He's already in the trade.
May nibble
Not
here on
really.
FSLR at 140 break. Darren's looking at Reddit on the long side.
Yeah, I agree. Reddit looks really
Nice.
strong.
Okay, FSLR short this morning under 140. FSLR short under 140. Did not get the trade, traders. Did not get the trade. FSLR. What was the news on Reddit this morning?
I don't know. I just seen it in the list, Reddit.
38.
Just going higher. Okay. Adobe is dropping as well.
Oracle screaming higher now.
Yeah, this Oracle is crazy strong nowadays. Ooh, FSLR
TLTR
was a
coming
beautiful
down.
one. Okay, guys, I'm going to get TQQQ under 74, 77.
Yeah, I missed the FSLR trade. Yes.
Oh, Scott,
Too
it was
bad.
such a nice call, though.
Are you short AMD? Yeah. Okay.
DVG is shorting AMD already. Okay, trader 76 is going to be my entry on the TQQQ. Okay, 76 is going to be my entry there. Just need to refresh my stream because I cannot
PLTR pulling
post it
down. No trades for
at
myself.
the moment.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Okay, finally, just restarting the
Maybe AMD
stream.
only goes
Hopefully, it's
up. I
going
don't
to be
know.
okay. No, okay. I'm just going to recall the TQQQ. Sorry for that technical glitch. Finally, I can here go under 74 and 76. I'm going to take it. The king 74 and 76. Market is pulling back a little bit. Scott called FSLR under this 140, but unfortunately he missed it as well, and I did miss it as well. MU is very strong, guys, in the moment, as I see.
What are you getting those for? Not bad.
Okay, Reddit is going higher
Okay,
now.
watching the FSLR trade as well.
Adobe big drop. Scott, as you can hear him, he's still watching FSLR. Okay, guys, so far I'm waiting for my TQQQ under 74, 76. I want the market to see what's happening here. Thank you, Olga. Okay, guys, I have not entered yet the TQQQ. Scott is still watching this FSLR, hopefully for another entry. Let me just check the oil stocks. Scott, what do you think about the oil stocks? If you can hear me. Scott, what do you think about the oil stocks? Hope you can hear me now. Okay. Okay, guys, I am in on the TQQQ at the moment. Wow, PRTR is just out of the strong stocks basket. Guys, on the PRTR, I want to see 74.60 for the first partial. And hopefully it's going to go there. Phew, stocks are not finding the direction today too much. Already checking. Well, maybe over the high. Hi, Kylie. Thank you. Okay. So FSLR is back to the lows. Wow. You were right on the Reddit. King, I did not copy LTR. I've just seen that it's going lower. Guys, MU is very strong. I'm going to watch it. AMD is very strong. NVIDIA is on the bridge to break out. So if the market cannot break down or even the semicons are going to stay resilient, I'm going to be on these stocks as well, indeed. Okay.
Reddit continues higher here, rocketing this morning. Still looking for that good trade this morning, and I'm not seeing it right off the bat. PLTR, PLTR should have been shorted there, yeah.
Yeah, that was nice. I was not seeing it, and it started nice, strong pre-market.
Okay, let me, I need to restart here. Let's see. Be right, let me get this done here. And come back up.
Okay, guys. So indeed, we have a little technical issue, but Scott is on it. And definitely, you can hear Scott, guys, in the YouTube room, right? Please just let me know in the chat.
Coming back up now, sorry about that.
Humble Ninja, Scott's volume is too loud. Okay, I'm going to try to lower it a little bit. How about now?
They did, and here's the thing: the Dow's right now down 122, Nasdaq down 77. So have to wait and see here. Stocks like Reddit this morning really skyrocketing, um, and we're just not out of the woods yet on the entire market as we get going here. You know, Reddit's up 20 points. Crazy, right?
Okay, thank you guys. If it's still too loud, I can just lower his volume. Still loud. Okay.
Talk a little bit lower.
Sorry, Scott. Better?
No problem.
Good. Okay, I saw the problem. We can focus on trading now, Scott. Thank you. A lot of guys are very happy for you here in the YouTube room.
Thank you. I know everybody would be a lot happier if I put on a good trade. I just don't see anything great right now.
Yeah, I know it's not easy, but now we are breaking, guys, 75% off my TQQQ trade now. Oh, I shorted just 1,000 shares. Why? Okay, guys, I'm taking 75% off, as you can see. Now, come on, market. Of course, again, mistake, limit order, not market. Okay, guys, so now I'm took. Sorry, Vida is checking. I just took my first partial. You can see on the monitor. I took off 750 shares, 250 left. Nice move there. Sorry, Scott. Just make this here. So Lennar Corporation checking. Yeah, I see it's strong. I'm going to keep an eye on it, but now we can go either for this reversal on the VWAP or over the high, but I don't like the volume too much. Ooh, Tesla. Tesla giving up. Hmm?
Okay, I'm going to take first trade of the day is going to be a Roku trade. We're going to post the alert here in the room. Roku long this morning, ROKU, which has got some momentum on the stock here. Some good news. Going to go 82.50, and the ad is going to be at 83. So 82.50 long Roku, adding at 83, target 83.50 if we get this trade. Market down 121 on the Nasdaq, 135 on the Dow. We are shifting towards the lower part of the day. PLTR getting creamed this morning.
Nice. Yeah, Roku looks like maybe a nice reversal. I like Scott's call. And Lennar, yeah, Lennar looks like as a breakout with ice. If you want to go for it, go for it. Netflix, the king. Does it have enough volume? Just going to check it. Guys, in the meantime, or a TQQQ going for the second reverse or partial here. And Nitsan, your UCO, it was a nice call indeed.
Really, yeah, looks like Roku busted through yesterday's close. We'll see if it bounces here. Uh, if not, you could take it through 82. It's the inflection point right here on Roku traders. We'll see. Yeah, we're starting to pull back now a little bit more. Dow's down 114, Nasdaq down, continuing to move lower, down 127 or so. I like Roku here. I'm going to jump in Roku here at 82.20. Revise this trade. I'll take this one out. I'll delete this message. I'm going to repost this. Like the trade here. Going to go Roku long, ROKU. Long this morning, 82.20. It's coming up on it right now. Roku 82.20. We're going to add at 82.50. Go full share size. Target 83.
Okay, that's weird because I did not touch anything and I don't know, unfortunately, why you cannot hear Scott. I'm going to try to check it here. In the meantime, traders, in the TQQQ, I'm taking one more partial here, and let's go for 74.70 for the final stop loss. Okay. He's not speaking now, Kylie.
Okay, here we go. Full share size now on Roku.
He's
Roku
now on low
target
volume.
83.
Okay. I'm just hiding. Sorry, guys, these technical things are like that, you know. We have to experiment because lots of things are going in the background to make it sure. Beautiful call
PLTR off the
from
bottom
Scott.
here.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you,
83 is
Jeremy.
going to be my ad. 83 will be my ad here on Roku. Sedge, I'm going to take Sedge out of here. Watch the 83 now on Roku. First trade of the day here. We're going to go extra full share size 83, 83.50, or right below this VWAP is going to be the target on Roku, ROKU.
Nice reversal trade, Scott. Thank you,
Yep,
Jeremy.
thank you.
Yeah, just fix the sound so everyone can hear you on the YouTube as well.
Perfect.
Guys, I'm going to be out of the YouTube, not the YouTube. I'm just around the YouTube now, of the TQQQ now. So it was a winner trade, and let's see whether this market can make a reversal. Roku, it's fantastic trade. Unfortunately, I did not took it, but Scott is ready to add, right? You want to add here?
Yeah, we're going to be adding here at 83, at the move over 83.
Great.
Wow, Oracle. Wow. Okay.
Can't believe Oracle still can go up. Amazing, this stock. Ten minutes till the news. Housing index and business inventories coming at 10 o'clock.
Okay, still long and
Okay.
strong, the Roku trade.
Yes, Briscoe there. He went long already 82.20 and over 83 he's going to add. Right, Scott? This is the plan.
Yeah, definitely the plan here. 82.20 added 80, 82.50, and then again here at 83 if we break that 83 right now.
Nice.
No.
DVG was bearish today. Me too. That's why I took TQQQ. At least a
Okay.
small winner.
Stop loss on Roku will be under the low. So let's.
Okay. Yes, Tara, Amazon looks very nice. Amazon is strong. And Scott just told that he's going to put the stop loss under the low on the Roku if you are in with him. Thank you, Scott.
Stop loss will be under 81.91.
Great. Tara, Amazon is giving up. Interesting day so far, isn't it, Scott? Market
Yes,
very
very interesting
undecided.
here.
Mm.
So to Aggie's point, we've got the Dow down about 152, NASDAQ 117. We're just kind of sitting down here right now and see if this downward move continues, if we do get a bounce, and if this bounce is real, could start to go long some of these names. I'm anticipating the bounce here on Roku, but nothing's for certain right now, for sure.
Yeah, agree. Let's see, maybe the 10 o'clock news going to help the market to decide the direction again.
We got news coming out here when in about 9 more minutes. I think it's housing.
Yeah, housing and business inventories.
Yeah, and business inventories. Okay, so not a huge thing, but always could help the market here.
Tara, I'm with you. I'm just staring at MU and I'm just looking at the daily chart that it's unbelievable how strong it is. But if we check the daily chart, there is a gap to fill on the daily. So I think might it still can push higher. Oil stocks, yes, yes, Nitsan. I was just checking Oxy now on the oil.
Okay, this FSLR, the solar stock's now lifting off the bottom, and I think that's going to be a short run here on these. We'll see.
Like a reversal, you think?
Yeah, I do. I think
Mm.
we're going to see a reversal off this move higher on. I think we're going to turn lower on the solar stocks here, so we've got to watch.
Yeah, I like this idea. Everyone wants to long MU. Marco just called it on the in the VIP room as well. I don't know. I'm so afraid to buy these stocks so strong for days. Uh, maybe for reversal. Yes, Vida is Tesla 320, 330 range. Mm. It looks like it's rolling over too. This market looks ugly.
Yeah. Yep.
Uh, Guys, I strongly suggest if you take anything, be a scalper today. It's just one green, one red, one green, one red, big
Yeah.
candles. Ugly.
Roku not looking great this morning right now. Again, make sure you have your stop loss in there in case we take it out 81.90. It was going to take the FSLR under 144. It did not. That would have been a nice trade. Darn.
Yeah, and it got a nice upgrade today, Roku. Okay, I think I'm just sitting on my hands in the next 5 minutes. I really hope the news going to help to the market to decide here. And your call was fantastic on the FSLR reversal, Scott.
Yeah.
Look at
Yep.
that. Just coming back. Yeah, I see AMD. Mm, should have taken on the VWAP, closest to the VWAP. Reddit VWAP reversal, Nitsan, just checking. Thank you. Maybe. Yeah. Yes, you are right. Let's see whether it can make a proper pattern here. Wixie 50 level today, 51 level. Um, okay, Vidais. So fear index, it's on the bridge, you say? That's not a good news.
Yeah. Okay, watch the Roku cover here. Holding on still holding on. I'll let you know when I come out. Right around that 81.90 here. We should bounce here at 82. We'll see.
Still watching it here, PLTR as well. If the market is pushing higher, 141 can be a possible entry there. Wondering Tesla as well. I hate this market, Scott. I don't know how about you.
Yep.
This
Yeah, me too.
sudden green candle out of nowhere. It's just funny. And look at NVIDIA. It's pushing higher now too. Google dropping with ice, checking Google. X1 pushing.
Yeah, Q's hit the bottom and then bounced here. We'll see what
Mm,
happens. Again, I'm not totally sold on this move here as the market's still down 80 points on the Nasdaq, so we'll see.
yeah,
533.50 is meaningful. I mean, 532.50 is meaningful on the Qs. Just kind of sitting on my hands right now, waiting.
yeah, me too. Sometimes this is the hardest, right? Especially if you are a new trader. Roku still looks good. Hopefully it's going to be a double bottom here. Nissan, I'm not convinced by the Reddit yet, but I'm watching it. Google dropping, I completely agree with Ice, just no entry at the moment. Still watching this PLTR here. Okay, low, cup and handle, indeed. Okay, only one trade for me today. A winner, I'm happy, but I would be much more happier if this market just could decide break the high and continue or break the low and continue. This is what we need to see.
Yep, still holding on to Roku here. I'm going to be coming out here a couple more pennies. I'll be out of the trade with a loss. Oh,
Not an easy day.
not so far. I'm going to hold on just for a little bit here, a little bit longer.
Yeah, usually I'm holding as well, until it's breaking 30 cents of the round number, because usually this is the decision point, kind of.
Now I'm out of the Roku trade with a loss. I've taken the loss on Roku, first trade of the day. It's too bad. I will come back into the trade, absolutely. If I see it bounce back up over what 80, 82, 82.10, right around where we did it last time, 82.20, right there. Makes
Yeah,
sense. FSLR gets going here. I'm going to short FSLR, probably my next trade here.
looks great.
Yep.
Scott, I like it. DVG likes it, so let's just do a family trade.
We'll see. Watch this candle here. It's up on the upper left side of my screen. We'll see if it shoots past 145. That's the spike high.
Great.
532.50 is the
Oh,
high, is the move higher. So
okay, news are out, guys. DVG just stored in the VIP room. But market reaction unknown yet, so let's just wait a bit. Nissan, your Reddit is still valid, but we need to break now. This, you see, it started the VWAP reversal. Volume was not right. In my opinion, I was waiting, so maybe just over the round number 144. No, I missed PLTR. My own call. Just going higher. Okay. MU completely resilient. This stock is amazing. And PTR, I miss traders. If you took it over 141, I would go for 40, 50 cents scalp. As I've told you, grab it and run today.
Yeah, run like a thief.
Yeah, as you always tell. Yeah, exactly. Okay. So far a non-direction market today, which is not making easy to trade for sure. Sometimes it's better to sit on your hands, right, Scott?
Yes, no doubt about it. Watching FSLR here, traders. Again, I need to get this stock right over the bid over 144. We'll take it short. And for everybody out there, everybody on YouTube here in the room, I mean, that Roku trade, just as a training visual here, that's why you have stop losses, right? Because, you know, you would have taken off another 50, 60 cents now as it's going down further. So don't want to stand in the way of something like that. If it wants to go lower, then let it go. We just wasn't a good trade for us to start things off here. So
Hmm. Vida is the only stock you like is Amazon. Now let's see Amazon.
okay, back at it. Is it going to be an FSLR short?
Not bad.
Yeah, I'm thinking. What do y'all think? Stock's down 31 points though. I mean, it's got to recover, and it can recover 10, 15 points here. So got me a little scared.
Whole market is scary for me today, Scott.
Yeah, yeah,
Not
true.
just this.
True.
FSLR. AMD on the
So
highs.
yeah,
Reddit
AMD
still
breaking out.
suffering. Apple down. Oh no. How about Meta? Meta, it's no man's land either. Okay. And seems like the news did not help too much for this market to decide.
ARM.
Jim, don't worry. Tomorrow,
ARM.
guaranteed it's going to be good at least at 2 p.m. Fed day. Vida is WMT short, checking. Nitsa Reddit is not a reversal anymore, I think, especially if it's breaking 140. So be careful on this VWAP reversal there. WMT, yeah, you are right. On the daily, it looks fantastic. You know what? I'm going to check it. But I must tell you, I really like Scott's idea about this FSLR as well. For me, though, it's under
Okay.
143.40, but it's your call, Scott.
Yeah, I'm going to take it here. Selling short here at the break of 144. I'll post it here in the room. Small share
Thank you.
size to start. We'll add under 143. Okay.
DVG goes for it. I'm going. Family trade coming, guys. Apple.
143 add, 142 target.
Okay.
143 add will be full share size. 45 stop. So we're going to keep the stop.
Okay. I like this call, guys. I just posted it in the room as well. I copy pasted from the VIP room, by the way. If you like the wacky wide rides, thank you, Jim. Yeah, I have two children. It's enough wide rides for me, actually, after they come home and screaming for food and mommy. So I want to see a very nice market which has a direction and we have great trades. But since Trump is here, I don't know how about you, Scott, but this market is just completely upside down.
Yeah, very true.
Now let's see this FSLR. I'm going to enter.
145 stop on FSLR.
Okay, so you are in already, right? 144. I'm going to
Yes.
join you under 143.40 because this is
Yep.
my strategy.
And I will add under 143. So I'll go full share size. Small share size here to start. We'll build it and hopefully get a downward move here.
Nice. Apple do break the VWAP. I'm just checking it.
Yeah, that ARM trade, that thing is off to the races, right? Not a
Um,
ton of volume, but a big move higher. Same thing with Oracle today. Oracle, medium volume, maybe a little bit higher, but still nice move on that stock. That stock is up, what, 4 points on Oracle. PLTR closed the gap.
yeah, and I missed my own call on 141.
Yep.
ARM very strong. Which one with guys? LTM, not LMT. No. Okay, guys, so far market is completely undecided. Well, I cannot blame it. Like, we do not have any updates from the Israeli-Iran situation. Unfortunately, um, semicons are still resilient. Look at AVGO is just pushing higher. Lee, if you are around, I'm guessing you are already in a long, as I know you. Um, and of course, tomorrow it's Fed Day. But I still like this FSLR core, but Scott, you just called it. So I'm going to enter under 143.40. Yeah, we dice. I just guessed it is. But it's low volume. I mean, it's
Yep.
pushing, I see, but I don't know. 270, it's a little bit low to me.
Nothing I love right now.
Me neither. Checking oil stocks too, but they just ripped too much already. Market is very much muted on a low volume. I don't know, it's so weird. It's like, you know what, Scott? I feel like the storm or the calm before the storm.
Yeah, absolutely. And you're guessing on which way the storm is going to take us right now. I don't know. That's the sad thing here. We're down 71. We've kind of cut things in half now on the Dow. Dow's down 88, but we've got uh, we've got stocks really. There's no real leadership. I guess Oracle, ARM, Reddit. We're in the right stocks, but it just they're not setting up perfectly to get the absolute maximum out of the trade.
Yeah, exactly. Let's see. So guys, so far only one trade on my side. I'm waiting for FSLR. Scott called it already under 144. Looks still really good. Rejected by this high several times. Solar's got really ugly news today. And I'm going to join under 143.40. AVGO, wow. AVGO pushing higher. AMD and VDA not doing too much. AVGO and MU and ARM, these are the winners of the semicons at the moment, as I see. How about the healthcare stocks like Humana is up 2.60? I've just seen that.
Hmm. Yeah.
You like UNH, Scott, don't you? Mm.
Yeah, I've loved UNH.
Oh, it's just going down today.
See, yeah, I hold UNH long on my long portfolio, so it's been like I
Oh,
said to everybody the other day. I think we hit 320 right this past last week was my, let me look here, go back 10 days here. Now 318, yeah. When we hit 318, I thought 320 was in the bag, but we didn't get there. So a little sideways move here, and I think we'll continue to move up higher for those of you that are swing traders. I like UNH.
Nice.
Expensive stock, but that's okay. Okay, FSLR, what are you doing here? Come on.
Just cannot decide either. Just for a little plus info for the ones who just joined first to the TEFS YouTube Trading Room. Scott, or guest analyst, who is really not a guest, but a very much veteran trader, and I know him for more than, how many years, Scott?
Like
15?
15. Yeah.
A lot,
Not a lot.
indeed. And he's a fantastic trader, more decades of experience, plus he's located in the US, so who else if he's not the one who knows the US stocks? And he's the leader of the TEFS VIP Trading Room and the 44 Trading Room, that you can get even a free subscription through the TEFS funded account packages, guys. So if you want to join there, please just check out our TEFS website and the packages. Indeed, he's going to be here with me for the first hour of trading or so every Tuesday and Thursday. Oh, so not this Thursday, right? Because it's Juneteenth
Right
Day
on.
in the US.
Right on. We have a market holiday on Thursday, traders. Again, market will be closed Thursday, room will be closed, and we'll be back open on Friday. I will not be here Friday. DVG will take that first breath with you all on Friday
Sure.
morning, and then I'll be back on Monday.
Nice.
Now, I don't know about FSLR. It's past my stop loss here. I'm holding on just because I have small share size. But I am red today. I've started the day off red with a Roku trade, and now just sitting here on FSLR. Market down 50 points on each side now, Dow and NASDAQ.
Yeah,
Oracle
it's so
Oracle
weird.
could care less what the market is doing. Yeah, and ARM, AMD, Oracle.
Mm. AMD over 130. It's like, I don't know. I don't like it too much, but maybe just for a quick scalp if you want to take it. I'm still watching this PITR because this market still looks resilient. By the way, Scott, I was just writing about this resilience of the market in the TEFS newsletter today. It's just unbelievable. Like, seems like since Trump's tariffs, it started first, that he called for the tariffs. This was the only pullback on the market. Since then, not too much indeed. So it's completely resilient. And look at that now.
Yeah,
It's
very
just
true.
pushing higher. Amazing. 601 just broke now.
Yep. Higher we go.
DVG doesn't believe either. DVG is another fantastic veteran trader. He's one of the analysts in the VIP room, the 44 trading room. And Amazon pullback. Yeah, I see Amazon, but it's too much for this pullback. I feel it's a little bit too much now. With I start a Powell or Trump storm. Yeah, very much, very right called indeed. Or you know what? Maybe both. In the morning we will get Trump with some news, and just for the afternoon, for the after party, we got Powell. Anything is possible in this market, guys. Okay. Checking the lower price stocks now, like SoundHound is strong, almost 2% higher. I'm going to watch this $10 on the SoundHound.
What is the symbol, Aggie?
As SOUN, this
Oh yeah,
small,
SunPower. Yeah.
yeah, small AI stock. And the market is building a bull flag. I can't believe to my eyes, really. Now what? I'm checking the news. Maybe we have not seen something here. But DVG has Benzinga, right? Benzinga subscription. So
Yes.
that's he knows the news first. Okay,
I was
cannot
going to
see
say that
anything.
declining volume turns me away, but Reddit looks good over 140. Still in the short on FSLR.
Volatility. Okay. SPY is still bull flagging. Amazing. Vida is Amazon holds 215.50. You're going too long. 215.50. 216. Uh-huh. 216.50. Listen, yeah, I agree because there is the 100 EMA on the daily, which I'm watching. And if the market keeps pumping higher, there is a chance there. Okay, if you took it this AMD over 130, guys, as I've told you, just be a scalper, 20 max 30 cents if it can stretch. Take a partial and just leave it. I got buy limit order Amazon 215.50 and you got it? It was not even on 215.50.
Boy, nothing I really love right now.
But FSLR looking better, Scott. Look at that.
Yeah, we'll add to the FSLR trade, like I said, under 143 break. I'm in it just with DVG, just a tad over 144 here, 144.08.
Nice. Yeah, market I think it's topped a little bit. So be careful with the longs, guys. Also, here is the partitioning point very strongly suggested on the AMD, in my opinion. And maybe I'm going to get back to my little favorite TQQQ. Let's see. And of course, I'm going to join the party on FSLR. Actually, now I'm going to join under 144, guys, too. Like 143.90, something like that. If this pullback is real. Okay, I am with you, Scott, on the FSLR trade.
143 add on FSLR, 40 cents to go here for the full share size trade. Getting some
Nice.
help from the market.
Let's see, hopefully. Okay, guys, if you have any questions in the meantime, as the market is a little bit slower, even to Scott, please just send it to the chat about TEFS, anything. We are here for you. Any call on Soundhound? Humble Ninja, not yet, but it's just building a beautiful bull flag there. I just follow it now. Watching Tesla with eyes, yeah, it's very tempting under 323, I must tell you. It's just this market is completely unknown. I don't like it. I mean, not your call, but the market rather. Yeah, I think Amazon is building a nice consolidation there over the VWAP, but maybe still this 216.60, which I see clearly now possible entry for a long. I would not touch it before. AMD, beautiful call. I hope you are still holding it. Now just put your stop loss under 130 and let it run. And I'm checking that AVGO for a possible VWAP trade here around the 251 level, 252, 251. And the market is still fighting higher, clearly fighting
Okay.
higher. We're trading for an hour now. Market broke the highs at least, but such a slow day so far.
Undecisive, really. I mean, the
Mm.
Dow has kind of climbed back into the driver's seat here, but other than that, it's been quite slow.
Yeah, very much indeed. Tesla broke the run number 323 in the meantime. CRWV is strong too. Just watching it now. Okay, how about Roku? Let's just get back. Wow. Yeah, as you mentioned, Scott, that's why stop loss is important, right?
Yeah.
Just broke the lows. Now it's trying to climb back though. Yeah, Vida, it broke the run number, but look at that. Without this undecided market, even Tesla is not moving nicely. I mean, it broke the run number, but it does not continue. It's so annoying. Now let's see this sound hound. SOUN.
There goes that SOUN. Yeah. What are you thinking?
Mm,
$10 there?
yeah, yeah, it looks like quite nice. Nice volume.
SOUN.
Mm, not bad. Tara, huge feeling that market is waiting for something. Completely agree with you. And maybe it's waiting for tomorrow, unfortunately, or some updates on the Israel-Iran conflict indeed. Let's try this sound hound. Looks like a little bit like resilient to this market. So I'm going to take some sound hound here, traders over $10 with a stop loss under 980, like a 20 cents. Let's see. And I'm still holding the FSLR with Scott.
Yeah. Still short FSLR. Yeah.
Definitely. And here it comes back under the 144. That's a good sign. Market looks like as an inverted cup and handle. This is a good sign for our short as well. And let's go back to TQQQ2. Mahmoud, yes, actually here we do trade only stocks in the a main trading session, but on the platform you can trade forex, crypto, futures, oil, gold, everything what you wish indeed. Well, personally I do. like I'm trading forex and futures as well, but the room just specialized or focus on the stocks. But if there will be, oh, here we go, come on, FSLR break. If there will be some, interest into trading forex and futures, I'm more than happy to go for it too. And by the way, DVG started to trade options as well in the main room. So guys, as in the description of the TEFS, we do really mean it. So we not just fund the traders, but we definitely we support the traders on the trading level as well, education, one-on-one mentoring, the live trading room, the VIP trading room. And if you wish, if there will be more traders who wants to trade forex pairs, European time, for example, or futures just before the start of the US stock market, which because I think by the futures is the best time to trade indeed, then we are more than open to extend the room like that. Uber gives me a small green. Nice, Vidice. I remember you mentioned it and I forgot it. Sorry. Let me just check this Uber. So many stocks, which is great, but sometimes you just lose the focus, right? Nice. Also, it's quite slow today, but I'm happy you got a green trade on it. And the market bulls are still fighting. Look at Scott. It's unbelievable.
Yeah. I'm going to try to pick up some of this Sun SOUN at 995, anticipating the $10 move here. I'll post it here in the room. Again,
Okay.
SOUN, and we can add over $10, right? So if again we get a move on the stock, that should be good. That's the Soundhound. It's up
Nice.
at the top here. We'll see if the market turns at all.
Great. I'm going to watch it
Come
too.
on, FSLR, let's go.
Yeah, it's so slow now. It got such an ugly news, so come on. FSLR, let me just check the daily again. Oof, what an ugly gap. But this market bulls are resilient. Amazing. AMD is pulling back. Justin just wrote in the VIP room. Apple 2, yeah. It was a decent 50 cents on the AMD call over 130. So well done, guys, if you took it. Ah, Soundhound is coming back. Maybe we will get a VWAP reversal on that, not a breakout.
Yep.
Let's see. Okay. Amazon. Finally. Yeah, it was quite strong today. You will buy it if it's breaking
Don't
to
see anything right
1550.
now.
No, me neither. It's really, I feel like the market is waiting very much to Powell. FSLR, finally. Are you going to add, Scott, to
I'm
the
adding
trade?
here at the break of 143 to the downside on FSLR. I got about 40 cents to go.
Nice, okay. Nice, almost breaking. good. And I am in green. And I just realized I took a little bit too much share size. Okay, guys, here we are. As I had a little bit fat finger on the share size on my side, I think I'm going to take
Full
a
share size
partial.
now, FSLR, full share size
Nice.
FSLR. Target's going to be 142. We'll peel some off there at 142, and then we'll watch. I think we can have multiple points to the downside. This stock could turn me green here if we get down past that 140 area, because Roku hurt me pretty good this morning.
Mm. I think I'm just going to take $1 here because of the share size, like 70% I'm going to take now, and then let's see for continuation on this FSLR. But looks much more promising now, even for a VWAP touch on 141.30 indeed. But the SPY triple Q are still very much on this side. Even amazing indeed. How
And traders, there's
strong.
a learning curve here as you're looking at FSLR. If you trade with the VWAP, which many of us do in the day trading community out there, that VWAP support at I can't see, it's covered up here, 141 something. Let me see if I can lengthen the chart here. I can see that 141.68. So you're going to have some natural support at 141.68. Watch it on your level 2. And if we get through 141.68, then through 141.140, sky's the limit here on the short. So wishful thinking, we'll see what happens.
Yeah, agree. Mm. Should see a little help from the market though, too. Would be great.
Right, I get it. I get it. Okay, I'm going to try SOUN. I'm going to delete this post here and I'm going to repost it at $9.90. And with the thought of SOUN, with the thought of $10, it should take off, but we'll see. Again, won't be risking a whole lot here, but at $10, like Aggie was saying, $10 is a real good place to come into the stock.
Yeah, I
When was
agree.
the last?
Looks
Was the last
better.
time it was $10? It was $10. Oh, recently, yeah,
Nice.
3 days ago.
FSLR in the meantime, it's coming back to my $1 first partialing points. I'm just going to take 70% off, guys, because of my share size. It's a little bit higher than I should have taken it. And here we are. 143.53 was my entry. 146.65 we see now. So I'm ready to take it off. And market finally moving a little bit down. That's a good news. And here we go. 142.50s. I just took a little one here. 142.50. Yes, Bricks Coder, completely agree with you. Today is about patience. You see, I had only 2 trades, but at least green. So traders, I just took my 70% off on the FSLR. Scott's a great call on the FSLR under 144. I don't know why I get such a low price. Maybe it was too spready. I was not watching it. But Scott, finally things are going to the right direction on the market too.
Yeah, let's see. I'd love to get under 142 here on
Mm.
that trade.
And I missed my TQQQ. I forgot it. It was nice under 74.95. Shoo. Had some rocks issue. What did I miss? Oh no, Nitsan, I hope you are okay. Not too much. Market is, you know what, is extremely slow today. I had a TQQQ short and now an FSLR short. That's it. FSLR was called by Scott under 144. Now it's going down nicely. And I just missed the TQQQ second call here. And now the market, well, let's see. Yeah, I guess it was rockets. I know. Stay safe, please. What a slow Tuesday, Scott.
Yeah, very
Wow.
slow. Very, very slow.
I guess the things are not going to look like that tomorrow at 2 p.m., right?
I don't think so, right?
NVIDIA looks weak now. And actually everything. How could I miss this TQQQ, guys? I really called it to myself to watch it. Sorry for that. And here comes FSLR, hopefully breaking this 142.50, which was my first partialing point. Jim, sell in May and stay away. You know what? This year so far has been so crazy that I don't know whether this quote or phrase is still valid. What do you think, Scott? Sell in May and
Uh,
sail away.
yeah, I mean they say that all the time. Now I'll tell you what's interesting about it is that um, there's more traders out there, so people are, naturally you're going to have the summer vacation schedule here with families, so retail traders are going to go away, and so are traders that are on Wall Street. They have to take their time with their families as well. So that still remains true. It still gets a little bit slower, but you still have so many people trading the retail markets that I don't know as if it's fully engaged like it has been in the past.
Mm.
Let's put it that way.
Yeah, yeah, I agree. So many things has just changed lately in the recent years even.
But yeah, there's absolutely that effect still happening because people take vacation because kids are out of school.
Mm.
It's summertime and they want to take, it's just the rite of passage for everybody in the world to take some time off. So,
Yeah,
okay, watch $9.90 on SOUN.
okay. So Scott recalled the SOUN. I forgot to post it, guys. Needs some 140.50 FSLR for a short. Let's see. It really needs to, just for this beautiful intraday breakdown, but actually even under 142.30, you can join if you want with a half share size. Tara Reddit checking or DDT. You think it's just can be a bottom reversal? Um, I love bottom reversals rather like on really round numbers. 134 can be that, but maybe a bottom reversal just over 135. Okay, let's see. Maybe this is still not the bottom reversal. I cannot see the exhaustion candle. Oh, Scott, FSLR. Sorry,
Yep.
Tara.
Yep. No problem there. Target again, 140 on FSLR. Yeah, I still like it. Jay's asking about the SOUN over 990. I still like the trade. Yep.
Okay,
May take us a little while to get there, but stock is up in a down market. It's right below $10. I think we should hopefully get up there, give us an opportunity. Keep it
nice.
on your radar.
Beautiful trade on FSLR. I'm just ready to take a little bit more off soon. And Nitan, if you could join on under 142.40, then this is a great trade for you as well. Now it's really doing the job which that I wanted to see from this stock. And this is a family trade as DVG just joined, right?
Yeah, DVG was in earlier. I think he got
Uh,
stopped out,
oh,
but that's We're
Okay.
still remaining in here, and target is 140.
Okay. Nice.
So again, we get past 141 now. We're through the VWAP. This hopefully will pick up some steam to the downside. Markets are just in a range, let's just say.
No, it's not doing too much. Glued to the VWAP now. No, I meant 142.30. I'm just showing you why. Just make the chart bigger for you to see. Okay, so we did enter on this rejection on the highs and then inverted cup and handle, as you can see. And after that, it made another consolidation here. So I did not get this wick of the first red candle, but under this 142.30, this could have been an entry with a half share size, I would say, because it's in the middle of the channel back to the VWAP. But now, as you just watching it, if it's going to make a consolidation here, you still can take it under 140.70. But you know, for that we need to see at least 4 candles. So this was quite of an okay consolidation here to join the party. Beautiful trade, Scott. Here it's just coming towards to the 140.
Yep. We got
Oh,
about
wow.
30 cents to go now on this big candle drop. Again, we get through 140, we might see a little bit more. Remember, I'm still full share size to trade. I have not taken anything off of the trade here. We took it at 144.08, added at 143 break, and now we're at 140. Again, we break 140. I'm just about to turn green here. I've got about 500 bucks here to go, and we should get through the 140 trade, 140 area, hopefully. Nothing's guaranteed though.
Yeah, found some buyers there as I see. I think I'm just taking off a little bit more here, just a half, and then let's see. If we go lower, I'm in, but as you can see on my screen, guys, it's transparent. Every trade it's very transparent. As you can see my positions, you can see my P&L at the end. You can see with these little arrows where I'm taking my profit share. And as you can see, as we are completely different traders, everyone it's a unique trader with his or her own position management, risk management, setups, and so on. So my risk management, my position management, it's like that. Usually, I just took a little bit earlier the partial because I was in with a heavier share size. And now, indeed, I have like 1.5 hour on the second partial. And now I'm going to put my stop loss over 143, 142 though, if we are making a nice consolidation here, and just let it run the rest. And I really hope that we are going to see it down under 140 soon. And the market seems like, I don't know how about you, Scott, but looks like it's ready to break again towards to the 600.
Yeah, I mean
Too
it's
early.
I'll tell you what oh, there we go. We need to, let's put it that way.
Yeah. Mm. This TQQQ still looks tempting under 74.74 for me. No, let's just check it. Still have like a 15 minutes. Time is flying, guys. Also, the market is slow, but with a good company, time is flying definitely. So I'm still going to be open to this TQQQ trade. Let's see how the market reacts now on this VWAP. Guys, just for a reminder again, if you like the stream, please just give us a thumbs up for the stream indeed, not especially for us, but the team as well behind who makes it come through this to be here with you on the technical side every day. And if you need any more info about the VIP room, about the funded accounts, about education, private mentorings, anything like that, please just discover the TEFS.com. And even um, on the TEFS.com, we have a live support with like live persons, not chatbot, then please just go there and we are here for you and just answer to any of your questions. And if you want to send a private message indeed or an email, here is my email, agiettefs.com. Okay, FSLR. Yeah, hopefully it's going to go now. Oh no, Raspi, really? I'm so sorry to hear that. Oof, that's not good for trading, right? Don't you have a backup there? Like a generator, something like that? That's not good. What about Roblox checking? That was really strong in the recent days, I remember, and it's a tiny bit extended. And I've told you, remember guys, I've told you last week that I'm sure Roblox wants to go for this 100, doesn't matter how extended it is, and now it did. And Dicking, what's your plan? Just to push it a bit more higher? I don't know. I'm really expecting now a small pullback there. What a nightmare, yes, but the internet is the issue. Ouch, Raspi. Sorry to hear that. I can imagine though. Mm. Okay, King, I'm not going to touch this Roblox. Good luck for you if you go for it. Scott, look at your FSLR. It's coming really close again to 140.
Yeah, we should get this 140 break
Yeah,
here.
I agree. Nitsan, did you join the trade? Ah, King, okay, I see. Tricky. No, I'm not going to touch Roblox today.
Awesome.
Needs to know under 140. Yeah, definitely under 140 for a scalp. HIMS, it was not on my list today, unfortunately. Now let me just check it. This can be such a crazy mover, this hims and hers. Yeah, you are right. Big V-shape reversal day so far. Crazy strong. Vitais, very nice offer from you. Thank you a lot. But no, I'm not going to buy Amazon. Sorry. I think I'm just going to stay with my two winners today.
Reddit tempting here as this market recovers. Again, Reddit's the type of stock that, big momentum this morning, big pullback right now, kind of sitting here at this 134 area. If this market turns, just keep the triple Qs on the radar and
Mm.
watch to see if we get this move higher. That's the type of stock that could really, really run. The same thing with Oracle.
Yeah, I agree. Both of them are beasts nowadays, especially Oracle. Google checking. Actually, Soundhound's starting to look even better over 985 now, Scott. I don't know. What do you think? Looks good as well, if it can make a move. Yes, with eyes, Google looks like as a V-shaped reversal too. Amazing indeed. Okay, guys, so far I still have 100 shares left from the FSLR trade. Just made a small pullback before breaking this 140. I'm going to be out over 142 for good. And regarding my field orders, where you can see my my P&L, it's here. The red ones are the commissions. So 665 for today. We took trades, especially FSLR was my biggest winner so far, and hopefully it's going to get back under 140 soon. But over 142, like 142.30, I'm going to be out.
There you go.
And TQQQ for me, it still looks tempting under 74.74.
Wow, look at the
So
CERO. Wow.
which one? CE?
CERO.
CE. Ah, we cannot trade it on the TEFS. It's a lower price stock, I guess, or something which has not too much volume. Let me just check on my other. Zero Terra. Yeah, it got some news. Even it was in some weeks ago. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Zero. Yeah, you are right. Yeah, these therapeutic stocks can be beasts, pumps and dumps. Okay, FSLR is back to the Viva, but it's still okay
Yeah,
in my opinion.
therapy. Yep.
Mm.
It's not available on my platform.
No, for me neither, fortunately. I think Jinx the trade, Nitsan. Okay. Yeah, Vidice, I agree. Uber just made a high of the day. I can't believe this stock. It's so slow though, but it's definitely moving and does not care about the market too
All right,
much.
DVG. Enjoy. I think CERO is probably halted now.
Yeah, it's not moving by me either on the other platform.
Let's
Okay,
put our
guys.
SOUN here.
Yeah, it still looks tempting indeed over
Mm-hmm.
985 for a reversal, especially if the market is going to make a reversal here. Still unknown.
Those of you that are joining us in the YouTube room this morning, welcome. And again, you've got a great opportunity if you are not in the US of A, get with Aggie on some of the great training packages, some of the great trading packages. I know here in the United States, we're not able to take advantage of that, but we do work together on supporting one of the greatest trading rooms on the planet. We sure do appreciate Aggie and what she does every day, and I'm glad I'm able to, come on over a couple of days a week to share with everybody on YouTube some thoughts, some trades. I certainly wish today was better on the opening day of being with you all, but that's the way it goes. That's how trading is, and I think Aggie said it perfectly. Today the markets are just not just kind of directionless. We had a big down morning, big down move this morning on the indices, and then a bounce, but we're not really following through. Let's put it that way. Um, that you can really take advantage of. It's just it becomes harder to do that. So
Thank you, Scott. We really appreciate it. And I'm very happy to trade with you again, at least on Tuesdays and Thursdays. It's
yeah.
going to be great. And yeah, well, market is going to be better for sure. But today, it, even if you check the daily chart, it's just a tiny little bit dodgy. That's it. Like no move at all. But now, wow, look at FSLR. Did you take a partial on FSLR?
I have not taken a
You have
partial on
not.
FSLR.
Okay.
I've got the full amount out there. I need the 140 break. Probably not the best. Uh, Probably not the best way to do it here, but I got to the point this morning where I've only had two trades today, traders. I've had the Roku trade. I've had the FSLR trade. I'm looking for something in the SOUN arena. But right now, my strategy is to try to get green with just the two trades. Roku did a good number on me.
Mm.
Michael, you take care of yourself. Aloha. So if I can get through 140, I'll start making some money here.
Yeah, it got a very nice pullback to the 140. Hopefully it's going to break it. Now, Vida, good luck with your LMT trade. For me, it's way too low volume. But Scott, you mentioned this Reddit, and actually it looks really nice for a possible bottom reversal soon, maybe.
Yeah, I don't know. Every time I think about going long the Reddit trade, it continues lower. So
Mm. Yes, actually, I still could not see the exhaustion candle there for the sellers. Maybe now. Let's see. Okay, guys, I have to leave though soon because I will have a meeting. Scott, are you still going to stay around?
yeah, I'll be here for a little while now, probably till about 11:30 or so today.
Okay, all right. I
Yeah.
posted you the link where you can see the YouTube as well if they have any questions.
Okay.
Indeed, thank you very much. And guys, I'm just going to leave you in the great hands of Scott. If you have any questions, please just ask him. And this FSLR looks marvelous. I'm going to leave my 100 shares in and stop loss over 142. Scott, I really like that you were my company today, and we are going to continue with that definitely next Tuesday, as Thursday is going to be closed on the market. Thank you very much. I really appreciated it, and
Absolutely.
see you tomorrow in the VIP room. Thanks a
Yep.
lot,
Take
guys.
care. Have a
And
great night.
thumbs up if you like the stream. Please just subscribe and thumbs up. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay safe and see you tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, traders, Aggie's moving on today, and you've got me, and that's a good thing here as we get going now into the latter part of the morning session here. Hopefully we get this market back in gear, back ready to rock and roll today. And we get a chance at this SOUN trade, but doesn't look like we will, but we'll see. We'll wait and see here. I mean, if SOUN is going to turn, it's going to turn right here, right at the VWAP line. If not, see you later. Reddit looks good. I'll post it over 136. Those of you who want to get into this trade here. I'll watch FSLR. I think once it gets over the VWAP line, I'm going to have to cover here. So we'll post the alert here on the 136 on Reddit long, RDDT long 136. Okay. Break. I mean, it could very well happen quickly, but we'll see. Goes the Reddit trade. Target 138 now. We're close to that VWAP line up in that area there. Let's go. Let's go. What's the is it HUSA? IPO, Steve. Is it MENS? Is it halted already? Yeah, it's halted. I'll keep an eye on it. I'm out of the FSLR trade. All shares gone. FSLR. Done with that trade. Okay, come on. Now, can you say 137 coming up here, Reddit? This is going to be a really nice trade. Watch the 137 break. Traders, I'll be right back. Just give me a moment here, please.